Everyone. So I have created a health tracker as part of the enrollment process when someone comes on board as either a preferred customer or an associate. So I'm going to share my screen and show you what I've been doing to keep track of people's health score. So I have created a health tracker or wellness score in a Google Doc. And so this is what mine looks like. You can find an example of this in ASEA United under JC Smith. She does a training on this. Or this tracker is also found in each ASEA box when you open it. And so you're going to go, after someone signs up, I have taken the time to go over each health category, and they rate it from a 0 to 10, 10 being very good and 0 being very bad. And you go through each one. And mine calculates this at the very end of out of 120 being the most optimal health wellness score. So I'm going to give you an example of when I get someone on board. So this is my wellness score. And when I make a copy, when I'm onboarding someone, I'm going to make a copy of this. And I'm going to name this Bob Smith as my new customer. I'm also creating a new folder for this. So you're always going to want to start in My Drive. That's the centralized place, and then create a new folder. Bob Smith again, because this will be in their folder, so only they can see. Create a new folder, select. Again, this document name will be Bob Smith. I press OK. Then this created a duplicate from the original wellness score. So it has their name on it. So then after going through each health category, I say, great, we're going to track this alongside each other. So after onboarding them, I always send up a follow-up email. So I will create an email address. Again, I'll just, for the sake, I'll just give this to my mother. I have created a Google template when people come on board. So this is my template. So again, I'll say, Bob, welcome to the ASEA adventure. I'm so excited for you and hearing about your results with this incredible technology. Thank you for your trust and being open-minded about this technology you've never heard about before. I give them their website and how to log into their back office. I also give them some documents. So the usage guide I add as well, the health tracker, 50 ways to use Renew 28. And I end it with, please call me when your product arrives, as I want to go over how to take this to get the best results. And if you have any questions, please feel free to call me or text me. Talk to you soon. So to add their health tracker, you're going to click on Insert Files using Drive. And Bob Smith's folder is right there. And so is his Drive link. So then I press Insert, and it's right there, so that when I send it to them, they're going to see this as well. And once you send it off, it comes up if they would like to view it, comment, or edit it. Make sure you press Edit so you can both edit this with the different times that you're going to be following up with this person. And then you press Send. So to create your own, again, you can follow this from JC Smith and ASEA United, or open up your ASEA box and the health tracker will be there. You're going to go to your Gmail, click on these little dots at the top right. You're going to click on Drive. You're going to click New over to the left, a new Google Sheet. And then this way you can create your own using your own fonts and so forth. So that's how you create it. And then just repeat the steps that I put out for you. And that's how you create a wellness tracker. So I hope this was helpful and that you start tracking for your people as well.